How you doing, guys? It's Danny Kid, right back here with another video. I'm over here. If you have a Freightliner, my radio wasn't working all day yesterday, and I thought I was overheating. I was trying to do everything, and there's a little trick that you could do. If you have a Freightliner, I have a Freightliner Cascadia 2020, my radio stopped working. It kept going in and out, staying on Bluetooth, wouldn't change to any radio or anything, and the volume wasn't working. One thing that you could do, switch off the battery. The battery is right over here. You can't really see it. The battery's right over here. You could switch it off, then put it back on, then start your car again, your truck again, and the battery should work. I mean, I'm all over the place. The radio should work. If the radio doesn't work, then you want to go open on the right-hand side panel, open it up, go to the radio fuse box, pull it in and pull it out. Pull that fuse out and plug it back in, and that should work. But you shutting the radio off and putting the radio back on should work because it resets all the electronics. So just try that first, see if that works. This is Danny K. Comment, like, subscribe for more tips. Comment, subscribe for more fitness and motivational videos. And also I'm gonna have more trucking videos too. So just remember that if you have a Freightliner Cascadia, turn the battery on, turn the battery off, and it should work. The radio should work. Out.